Welcome, parents and students. This is a video to help show you where Google Classroom is and set up, where my lesson plans are, and how you can access videos for me. Students should have this page bookmarked. This is the Brandon Valley Middle School page. If you need to get to my lesson plans because you are gone or would like to see videos, you go to the students and click on lesson plans. They are separated by team. I am a member of the 7th grade Black team. If you click on that, you can then see I have 3 different math levels. If you are in periods 1 and 9, you are in my intro class. If you are in periods 2, 3, and 7, you are a member of the Math 7. If you are in my period 6, you are 7A. So you would click on the appropriate one, and it'll take you to a table of contents that you can quickly go to the link. You can see my email address there if you need to access that. If we go to this week, which is August 24th, I sometimes will post videos if it is a more difficult lesson, or if we go to distance learning, I will post the videos for that day in the lesson. So students that you are gone, you can always check lessons. So if you were to click on this, it would take you to my YouTube channel and you would be able to see the lesson for the day. Homework is always listed in a different color. Math homework is always due the next class period. So that is how you can access my lesson plans and see if there are any videos. In Google Classroom, I also post daily notes. So if you, no matter what period you're in, if students go into their Google Classroom and click on classwork, I have everything organized fairly nice. Up at the top, you'll always see my lesson plans. So students also have another way to view my lesson plans. And then you can see under each chapter, I will have a section of live notes. These are the notes that I take every day in class. Hopefully your student is following along inside the class, but in case they are absent or in case they did not have time to copy everything, I have the notes in here. It is organized by day. So here we were doing 3-1 absolute value. You can go back to my lesson plans and say, oh, there was 3-1 absolute value. We had 2 days of 3-1. So in the notes, they could say, oh, I missed day 1, or maybe I missed day 2. They could click on that. And then if they go through, they can see everything we did. You can see the notes that I wrote on, the work I showed. So if your kid is ever gone and they would like to see what we did, that page is a wonderful resource for them. All the notes that I would take and I wrote and went over will be in that page. Again, that is under each chapter, the live notes, and it gets updated daily. So that is where kids can go if they would like to look at the notes again. I do have a website. If you go to my lesson plan page, back to the beginning. Yes, here we go. You can see that I do have a web page if students would like to get a few more resources. I have some there. Their online textbook, how to get to that is right on this page. The username I gave them, their password should be their first name capitalized by their graduation year, which we talked about as well. So that is all on this page. Also, there is a link for Google Classroom. So in this page, in this video, hopefully you now know how to find my lesson plans. You know where to access my daily notes. And if I ever have a video, it will be linked in here. This video, although I emailed you, will now go in place of this test video. Thanks and have a great day.